Today we're going to get started with Swift Playgrounds and learning to code. So jumping straight into something called an hour of code. First step is you're going to need to have Swift Playgrounds on your iPad, and next you're going to need to be able to download the hour of code. Once you open Swift Playgrounds, you're going to need to choose Get Playground and then search for hour of code. You'll find hour of code in the Challenges section of Swift Playgrounds, and then you can start downloading hour of code. So let's take you through some of the basics of learning how to code. What you're going to find is a little guy here called Byte, and he's going to have to collect a gem. Now it's important to check what the goal is and to make sure that you are actually following the goal of each of the different steps. So you'll see I've started by giving him a move forward command. I can also choose options of how fast or slow that I want him to move forward. So let's have a look here. We need him to move forward 3 times. Watch here, once, twice, 3 times, and then collect a gem. So I can tap and I can put those commands in 3 times, and the 3rd time he collects the gem. So far so good. You've written your first few lines of Swift code. Don't forget, you need to be able to read the instructions, otherwise you're not going to get it correct. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with issuing commands, and we're going to get all the way through to functions and ultimately to loops. A function gives him a new behavior. So you'll find Byte can only turn one way. One of the things you'll do is make him turn the other way. And a loop is something that you want to repeat. That's as far as we're going to get today for your basics of Learn to Code. So one more tip, you might want to change how Byte looks. So what you can do is you can tap on Byte, and then Byte will give you a couple of different options. So if you tap directly on him, you will then find he will pop up with different skins or avatars that you can use for Byte. There he's flying away, and here are 2 different options, Byte 1, Byte 2, or Byte 3. Have fun.